Demonstrating to install the Fedora OS on the virtual machine so that it can have a non-local, and then we will auto scale whenever the CPU usage is more than 75%. So first let's create the local VM. Here I will give name to the VM, and here I will choose the operating system. Here we will be installing Fedora, and here I'll provide 4 GB. One core is fine. Let's give two core. Let's have a stress for that. Here I will be providing 25 GB, or let's say, yep, we'll have the configuration for this local VM. Now what we will do, we will move up the hard disk part and optical disk and check floppy, because floppy is not used nowadays. Okay, now the main part, we will load the OS here. Okay, here we have two Fedora and Ubuntu, but we will go over to Fedora Linux OS. Now everything is fine. We will provide the network via NAT gateway, and that's all. Yep. So we will be creating this by starting up the virtual machine. Okay, the virtual machine is getting prepared, so it will boot up. We will just start. We not need to test and start. We'll just our Fedora. It's booted up, but we will have to install the Fedora on a hard disk so that we can load and save our documents and everything. So let's install the Fedora. Continue with the languages. We'll select. Okay, the hard disk is selected. Now we can begin the installation. Okay, our installation process has been completed. Now let's reboot our VM so that OS can be loaded, and we have to detach the disk. So here we will remove the virtual disk. Before that, we will restart it. Okay, let's restart. And meanwhile, we will remove the virtual disk. Okay, now here. Okay, our virtual disk is removed and our Fedora OS is installed. So let's set up the Fedora. Let's set up this. No, don't want that. Okay, let's say local VM. It's good. All done, and we'll start. So our network is connected here currently with a NAT gateway, so we have access to that. Wait for the tool. So it is connected. Let's open terminal and update couple of system definitions. So this will, let's maximize it. Okay, the setup is completed. You can see all the updation and interpretation of the packages in the Fedora OS has been done. Now we will install a specific thing, that is we will install Google Cloud computational resources. which will handle the auto scaling. So for that, we will run this command, which will install our Google Cloud Computing. Let it install. Okay, the installation is completed for the GCC. That's it, and we'll go to the next.